pick up the van. So here's the van we've chosen. Took a bit of finding, to be fair. Long wheelbase Mercedes Sprinter 2010, and this one's got full Mercedes history. It's had a brand new gearbox and clutch and flywheel just done 5,000 miles ago. So, and she's in really good condition, which is hard to find one of these that's not been battered in on a builder's yard or ragged around the streets delivering parcels. So she's a good one, and we paid 5,400 quid for her. But no VAT, which is hard to find with no VAT, which made a big difference. So the first stage is going to be removing the bulkhead and the ply lining from the van. It should be a pretty easy task. Take all this out, take all the ply lining out, lift the floor up as well because we'll need to insulate under the floor. And also to remove these twin seats here. We'll remove these and put a single seat in base there with a swivel, and also a swivel on the driver's one, which will give us a nice seating area in the back here. Okay, so we've got the bulkhead out and all the ply lining out, and the floor all lovely and clean. And now the next stage, oh, we need to get this out actually. We need to take this front piece out, make a shelf up here, because that's a bit of wasted room really. So I think that's pretty much it for the night. Maybe we'll probably draw up where lights are going to go, where vents are going to go, and then we can prepare the wiring. Okay, see you tomorrow. Welcome to day 2. We're starting a bit late, it's 3:30, but you know, other things to do. We took this front bit out as well last night, and now we're going to do the side windows. Day 3, although we've only managed to get 6.5, 7 hours done in total, so it's more like day 2, but in terms of how many days we've actually spent doing this, then it's day 3. Got the window in, just using a bit of tire and glue remover now to get rid of the glue from the tape, and now we're going to be doing the window on this side. The sun's out. Feeling good. So the near side window's all cut out. We've been round this edge and filed it all off, and closed it up with the pliers so the little rubber beading fits on there nicely. We're off to get some wood! You excited getting the wood? It's taken 2 hours to get wood and all other materials, which isn't ideal, but at least it's all done now. Don't forget to haggle at the builders merchants, because you pretty much only have to ask nicely, and if they know you're doing a building, they'll be coming back there, they'll knock a bit off. I mean, we just got 40 quid off just for asking nicely. Okay, so it's day 4, although we've not really been doing anything, so I'm not sure what it adds up to in hours yet, but we're on the roof at the moment, fitting the awning down there. So we're just fitting these brackets to the roof along the edge. Just about to drill. Hopefully I'm going to drill in the right places. Let's see. This is going to go here, but there's this rust along here which I want to treat first. So I'm going to rub it down, and then I'm going to use this Fertan, which is meant to be really good stuff, and then paint it before we put these brackets on. Word of warning: if you're using your girlfriend to tell you if somewhere's good to drill, don't always listen to her. So apparently this fits there fine. Not only once, but twice. Just drilling more holes in the side of the van to fit these on this way around, which will be able to put the legs in for the awning. If there's no solid ground to go on, we can always put them against the van. On the roof again. Right, I'm going to start fitting the front vent, which has also got a fan in it. I've made a little template and I'm just drawing a line around it. Looks like it's in the right place. Looks square. I'll probably check it's square. And then we're going to chop through here. And we'll go from there. Okay, so I don't know what day it is actually, but in fact I'm going to stop doing the whole day thing and just tot up the hours at the end, because I keep doing a couple of hours here, a couple of hours there. Today we're going to cut this hole in the roof and fit the front fan. There's a hole in the roof! Thank you very much. Okay, so I'm just going to clean the surface with a bit of meth, and I'm also going to touch up these little bits of metal that are showing before I go any further. Apparently, you can just use this putty stuff, which like it never actually sets. You just put it around the edge, put the fan or reef vent onto it, and then compress it down with the bolts or screws, whatever come with it. So I'm going to do that, but I'm also going to put some 512 Sikaflex around the outside of that, just to be sure, basically. I'm going to let this paint dry first anyway. Okay, so that's the holes all drilled. I've made a little wooden frame that's going to go underneath here that the self-tappers will go into. This bit, by the way, with this particular roof fan, which is fantastic vent, which seems to be really popular. They come with this, which I thought it was rubbish at first, but apparently you were meant to use it as part of the seal. So don't forget that. And now I'm going to go underneath. Somehow try and get the wooden frame to stick underneath, or maybe get somebody to hold it and I can start screwing these in. Okay, so this is what we're looking like underneath. Right, this frame here, which will go around the outside like that and screw down to it. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I've just stuck it up with the glue gun actually. Just stuck it up there for now, and then I'm going to go up above and gently screw into it and hope that this stays here to the roof. That's it. But personally, I don't know, I don't feel too confident in that. So I'm going to wait for it to push this air out a bit, and then I'm going to silicone all around the edge as well. Can't do any harm, can it? I think we've got enough daylight. I'm going to attempt to put the rear vent in as well now. Now I'm going to be working on the rear roof vent, which seems like it's going to be a bit more awkward to fit actually, but let's just do it. So I've drilled some guide holes up from underneath. I've got a pretty rough template here, but I'm hoping it's all going to work out just fine. Lots of ribs we're going to have to flatten on this side as well. I've come inside of the line a bit just to give me a bit of contingency. So the hole's a bit too small, which is much better than it being too big. That's it, we're in. So I just need to flatten up these ribs now. This one's going to be hard because it's right on a rib. Good time to check your reflexes as well. If you haven't done that for a while, it's good. Cheated on that one. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Okay, so it's all cut to size. Smooth the edges off with the a file. Sanded around the edges so we get a good adhesion with the sealant or the adhesive. Painted any bits that have got any metal showing. and wiped it all down with meth as well, with methylated spirits. Okay. Thanks for watching. All links to products, materials, everything else that I've used will be in the description, along with some other little handy links. And then at the end of this really cool little outro thing, there's some info on the ebook. Cheers guys.